It then chews up the bills and spits out the money-filled envelope instead of chewing it up. That sounds a little bit strange to me. And the reason why it sounds a little bit strange to me is because it's a bit wordy. The way I'm talking through that end piece of the sentence just doesn't quite make sense because there's a lot of words there. And so when I look at my answer choices, I can see a glaring difference in these choices. So I look at D, which has one word. And so I'm going to assume that that's probably my answer, but I want to make sure I plug things in to double check. So here, I could replace 8 words, this whole section, 8 words, with 1 word. And that's going to eliminate a lot of wordiness. It then chews up the bills and spits out the envelope. Okay. Now, if I go back to my previous item, in my previous item, I was talking about this envelope filled with paper money. So if I continue in the passage, which I would be able to see the entirety of the passage on the SAT, I know that I'm just talking about that money-filled envelope. So do I need to say that it was money-filled again? Not necessarily. Do I need to know that it was the envelope that had the money in it? Again, no, because in that previous item, I already know that it had money in it. I already know that it was dangling from the doorway. And so if I go back into my previous sentence, this becomes even more clear. However, my best choice is typically going to be my shortest answer, unless my shortest answer just really makes absolutely no sense. But in this case, it does. So my answer is D.